8 Ways to Make Money Online Using ChatGPT AI Bot in 2023. Welcome to our video on the 8 ways you can use ChatGPT AI Bot to make money online. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you automate tasks and generate income for yourself. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can use this cutting-edge technology to your advantage. 1. Chatbot for customer service. One of the most popular ways businesses use ChatGPT is for customer service. By using the bot to answer common questions and help customers with their inquiries, businesses can save time and money on hiring human customer service representatives. 2. Content creation. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate content. The bot can be used to write articles, blog posts, and even social media posts, saving you time and effort when it comes to creating content for your website or business. 3. E-commerce. If you're an e-commerce business, you can use ChatGPT to help with product recommendations and customer service. By using the bot to answer common questions about your products and help customers find what they're looking for, you can increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. 4. Lead generation. ChatGPT can be used to help generate leads for your business. By using the bot to ask questions and gather information from potential customers, you can gather valuable information about your target audience and use it to improve your marketing efforts. 5. Virtual assistant. ChatGPT can also be used as a virtual assistant. With its ability to understand natural language and carry out tasks, the bot can help with scheduling, email management, and other administrative tasks. 6. Educational content. The bot can be used to create educational content such as quizzes, flashcards, and interactive tutorials. This can be a great way to monetize your website or blog. 7. Gaming and entertainment. ChatGPT can also be used to create interactive games and entertainment experiences. For example, it can be used to create chat-based games or virtual scenarios where users can make choices that affect the outcome. 8. Language translation. You can also use ChatGPT for language translation. By training the bot in multiple languages, it can be used to translate text from one language to another, which can be a valuable service for businesses and individuals. Conclusión. These are just a few of the ways you can use ChatGPT to make money online. With its ability to understand natural language and carry out tasks, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Now that you've seen all the ways you can use ChatGPT to make money online, we hope you're inspired to try it. Remember, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from customer service to content creation, and more. So, start exploring all the opportunities this technology can offer you. And be sure to let us know in the comments below how you plan to use ChatGPT to make money. If you have any questions or you're not sure where to begin, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.